Iran unveils indigenously developed Simorgh light transport aircraft. A new light transport aircraft, designed and developed by experts at the Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company. Named Simorgh, the aircraft was showcased during an impressive ceremony in the central Iranian city of Isfahan in the presence of Iran's Defense Minister Brigadier General Mohammad Reza Ashtiani, Vice President for Science and Technology Sarana Saatari, President of the Civil Aviation Organization Ali Abadadeh, and other senior officials. Speaking at the unveiling ceremony, Brigadier General Ashtiani said the aircraft will be of great assistance in serving the country and its executive agencies, both in the civil and military spheres. The top defense official stressed that Simorgh is a redesigned and advanced version of the same generation aircraft, which perfectly fits the growing needs of the country's armed forces. He said it has been equipped with high-tech, indigenous technology and designed in accordance with the country's climatic conditions as well as international safety standards and regulations. Brigadier General Ashtiani stated that the homegrown aircraft's propulsion system, new components as well as controllability and maneuverability gear have been designed and manufactured by Iranian specialists and are distinctly superior to other similar models. He also noted that all ground and aerial tests of Simorgh have been carried out inside the country. The unveiling of Simorgh has prepared the ground for the design and manufacture of more advanced aircraft in Iran, the Iranian defense minister said. He referred to lightweight, good payload capacity and radius of action, compatibility with Iran's weather conditions, ability to take off and land on short and dirt runways, and agility in providing air medical services as distinguishing features of the homegrown Iranian aircraft. Simorgh light transport aircraft would develop Iran's national interests in all spheres, can be absorbed by other markets, lower production and maintenance costs, create direct and indirect jobs, and allow the Iranian aviation industry to join the World Club of Manufacturers of Heavy and High-Tech Aircraft, Brigadier General Ashtiani noted. Given regional developments and threats against the Islamic Republic, aerial transportation plays a significant role as the armed forces need to enhance capabilities in logistical operations and transportation of cargoes, vehicles, and manpower on battlefields. The Iranian Defense Ministry assigns high priority to beef up the country's deterrent power and fulfilling the needs of ground, naval, and air force units in areas that determine the fate of the asymmetrical warfare. Iranian military experts and engineers have in recent years made remarkable breakthroughs in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient. Iranian officials have repeatedly underscored the need to strengthen the country's military capabilities, including its missile power, for defense purposes, and stressed that the country's defense capabilities will never be subject to negotiations. The leader of the Islamic Revolution, Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, has repeatedly called for efforts to maintain and boost Iran's defense capabilities, decrying enemies for raising question marks over the country's peaceful missile program. According to military experts, Simorgh is equipped with TV-117 engines and has a maximum cargo weight of 6 tons and a final range of 3,700 kilometers, capable of reaching 900 kilometers with maximum cargo weight.